Hi, I'm Mike Coop from Timeware, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to enroll at the X-Station 2 bio. Okay, now I'm at the unit. You need to navigate to the 4 squares at the top left. When you've pressed that, it'll ask for an ID. On my example, my ID is 1, and then you press the OK, and then it will ask for the password, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you press the OK at the top right of the screen. If you're unsure of your ID, please speak to your Timeware administrator. At this point, you then select the user, and it gives you a drop-down list of all the employees in the terminal. At that point, you would then select the individual, so it's Mike Coop. If you do have a large list of names, you can use the search feature using the magnifying glass at the top right. At this point, you then select the card or finger. So on this example, we're going to enroll a finger, and then you click the plus in the bottom right of the screen. At that point, the employee would then present the finger to the device, and it asks again for verification, and that's enrolled my finger correctly. You then press the back button at the top left, and then press the OK button on the top right, and that's completed enrolment for Mike. If there was more people to enroll, you could select other names and then enroll their fingers at this time. As we're only enrolling myself, that's fully saved away, and my name's in the reader now. So now if I test this and put my finger on the device, it should clock me in. Yep, Mike Coop, booking accepted. And that's a quick tutorial on how you enroll at the X-Station 2 bio.